Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can design a logo in Adobe Express app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Adobe Express app. So I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on it, we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, now we have to click on the search for all templates. So let's click on the search for all templates. Now simply we have to search for the logo. For example, I'm going to search for the logo design. And now simply let's press the search. As you can see, after clicking on the logo design, you are going to get a lot of logo designs. Now you need to use that which type of you want to use, which type of logo you want to use. For example, I want to use this one, so I'm going to click on it. And now here's the option for the remix this template, so I'm going to click on this. And after clicking on this, we are going to change some settings in the logo, like we are going to change the text, and if you want to change the color, you can also do that. So as you can see, now we are redirected to the editing mode. Now I'm going to click on the double clicking on the text, and now I'm going to write the podcast here. And after writing the podcast, simply let's click on the right, and it will be like this. And now let's click on the since. As you can see, since 1983. If you want to change this, you can also do that. As you can see, this is the shape. If you want to change the color, like go to the color section, and now you need to choose the color, that which type of color you want to use. As you can see in the basic section, for example, I'm going to use this one and this one. All designs are provided here, you need to choose. In the adjust section, you are also going to get some options. In the opacity section, you can control the opacity. So these are the options. So if you want to go to the text section, and you can also control this. So in this way you can design a logo, and after that simply you have to hit this and the logo, and now you need to choose the format, that transparent or the image. You have to click on the download, and the logo will be downloaded. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.